Hello everyone, this is Surya Singh. Currently, this there is Vihan Gupta, Vidit Gupta today with me, and he is going to answer my questions. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Please give me your introduction.
Okay, so hello friends, my name is Vidit Gupta and currently I am 10 years old and I study in Allied. My father is a businessman and my aim is to become a businessman.
Okay, what class are you in?
I am in 6th.
Okay. Currently, how is your study going on currently
Yeah,
nowadays?
it is fine, absolutely fine.
Okay. And where will your holiday start?
I think from 20 of May.
20. Okay. Now I'm going to. What are your hobbies? If
Okay,
you can tell
so
me.
my hobbies are playing chess sometimes and sometimes watching television.
Okay. What kind of things do you watch on television?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I like watching movies, sometimes I
Okay.
watch something knowledgeable even.
Okay. Don't you watch any cartoon and yeah?
Earlier I used to watch
Okay. Which was your favorite cartoon?
any cartoon, whatever I used to like, I used to watch that cartoon.
Okay. Okay. Now, what kind of movies do you watch nowadays?
Sometimes I like watching horror movies and sometimes
Okay.
I like watching action movies.
Okay. There is any your favorite actor or actresses? May I know if?
Not any favorite actor.
Okay. Someone do you admire or someone do you
Although
appreciate?
there are so many actors and even they do good acting, even Shah Rukh Khan is there, he does
Okay.
very good acting.
Okay, okay. So, which movie of Shah Rukh Khan impresses you a lot? And,
Jawan.
Jawan. Okay. Recently it came.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, tell me your daily routine. How is your daily routine going and how?
Okay, about my daily routine. So firstly I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Then I get ready for school. Then I go to school. Then I come back to school at 2 o'clock.
Okay,
Then
2
I
o'clock.
watch 2 or 2:30 o'clock. Then I watch television. Then I take my lunch. Then I come here. Then after going from this institute, I sometimes study and sometimes I watch TV.
Okay.
Then I take my dinner. Then approximately 10 to 11 o'clock I sleep.
Okay, okay. So, what's your aim, or I can say, what's your future plans? If
Although I have not decided my aim, but I will
Okay.
become a businessman.
Okay, businessman. You told me that your father is a businessman,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So what kind of business he does, or
He does the business of share market.
okay, okay.
Yes.
He is in share market.
Yes.
Do you interested in share market? Yeah, and
Although currently I don't know too much of thing about
Yeah,
share market,
because-
but basically I know that in share market we have to buy shares, and it depends on the value of share.
Yeah.
Suppose the value of share is augmenting nowadays, so it depends on the share. Little bit I know, but not completely.
yeah. Because you are not perfect, or or I can say experienced in share market. But can you tell me when the prices of shares, downfall abruptly, or
Yes.
get rise abruptly? When, if you can tell me. If you don't know, there is no problem.
Although I am not in business, so
Yeah, I
I
know.
don't know that.
Okay, okay.
It depends on the value.
Okay.
Even we have to, our vigilance should be there.
Okay.
Every time we have to see.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that is all I know about
Okay.
share market.
Apart from studies, do you read any book, or do you
No, I don't read book. I'm not interested in reading too much.
Okay, why?
Because most of the times in my school, I daily go to school and
Hmm.
that chapter that
There is
teacher
already
explain, I
a
get to
burden,
know.
yeah. There is already
Not
burden.
burden, but most of the things I
there are many
get
things to read and learn, है ना?
Yeah. Even in school, sometime I read.
Yeah.
If teacher has said me to read
Okay, okay.
in front of everyone, then I can.
Okay, okay. Currently, the election is going on in India. So, what you have to say about elections and all of that?
Okay, so according to me, in elections nowadays, according to me, the ratio, like most of the majority is going to vote BJP.
Yeah, yeah.
Because they are fanatic for BJP. They are mad over BJP.
Hmm.
But if you will for
So
my
what,
personal opinion, then
sorry.
according to me, we can give vote to Aam Aadmi Party even because in Delhi you can see that there is too much of development in Delhi. too much of government schools are there and they are well developed even. They are like private schools, they are not better than private schools, but they are not that much of degraded that the comparison can't take place with private schools.
Listening you, it seems to be that
What?
it seems to be listening to you. It seems that you are kind of like Aam Aadmi Party.
No. What do you want to say? Can you please make me understand?
Recently, you told me the good work of Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi and stuff.
Yes.
So it seems that you are a supporter or kind of. There is no problem.
I'm not the supporter.
Listen to me. There is no problem in supporting any party or there. Why should we defend if I am a supporter of any party? Why I have to defend me? So there is no problem. But I want to know that you kind of like Aam Aadmi Party, na?
No.
It seems to be that.
Okay, so let me give you an example.
Okay.
Earlier in 2014, before 2014, when Mr. Narendra Modi was the CM of Gujarat,
Yeah,
okay, then so many people used to say that
Yeah.
Gujarat is a very developed nation.
Yeah.
The state is very developed because Gujarat is a state, okay. But the moment
The BJP projected it in the way that.
yeah, because that people were saying that Gujarat is very developed under
Yeah.
BJP. The moment Mr. Narendra Modi came in regiment, the Gujarat has been developed. But when Mr. Narendra Modi came in regiment, when he became Prime Minister, then those people were saying that now India is not that much developed. So according to me, the difference is that developing a state or nation.
Yeah, it's totally different.
Yes,
Totally.
developing a state is a different thing,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
developing a whole country is a different
It's
thing.
very
and
different, yeah.
this thing can be there in Arvind Kejriwal even. According to me, now Delhi is being developed. Okay, so it is not a big thing. No, it is a big thing. But if I talk about India, so it is not that much big
Yeah.
thing because he is just the CM of Delhi. But when he will become the PM of India, suppose he becomes the PM of India, then there is no guarantee that will he be sustain his development or not, or he will be like Modi. He will be criticized.
Yeah, I agree with you because developing a state and developing
Yes.
a nation is totally different.
Yes.
There is a abrupt difference in these
Yes.
two things. Okay, I want to know what you have to say on the allegations that has been implemented on Mr. Kejriwal recently.
Okay, about that liquor scam, I think you are
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about. Okay, so
What do you have to say? I want to know your opinion.
So according to me, it was not valid because there is no proof, and according to constitution, it is wrong because when there is no proof, so how can we incarcerate someone? How can we incarcerate someone? So according to me, it is not valid,
But
and even it indicates dictatorship.
but court sent him to the judicial custody.
But still he is in jail. He is behind the bars.
Not now. He got interim bail.
Yeah, but earlier
Yeah,
when he
earlier
was
he
behind
was-
the bar, when he was in jail, then according to me it was not justified. Suppose
Yeah.
God forbid you are caught in a scam. Okay, you have caught in a scam and suddenly you got to know that there is no proof of your thing. Okay, then but still you are going in jail. So how will you feel? It will be a kind of injustice with you. So same case with him.
Yeah. I agree with you.
Yeah.
So, do you think there is a partially dictatorship in India?
Dictatorship? Yes.
Partially, not exactly.
Yes, not exactly partially. Yeah, I'm not pretty sure, but according to me, for some extent it is. Even I gave you the example of
Yeah,
Arvind
can-
Kejriwal,
okay.
and even
Give me more example.
yes,
Not
even
more,
you get to know
two or
about that
three.
ED scams. Not about ED scams, sorry, EVM scams. The scams which are going on in electronic voting machines. The votes are being changed, and even in Dhruv Rathi video, you must have seen that he showed that the video even when a person was changing the votes. And
Do you think EVM can be hacked?
1 second, I am telling you. And even suppose I am from BJP, okay, and you are standing from the side of other party, then
Okay.
so many ED raids will take place against you. Then suppose you are in the case of corruption, okay, but if you join BJP party, then all the cases will be finished. Nobody will focus
Yeah,
on those cases.
yeah.
On media, only BJP it is being shown
Yeah,
on
yeah.
media. So that is why, according to me,
Yeah.
not like fully, but you can say 40 to 45% it is being.
The opposition parties say that the BJP is a washing machine kind of.
And
They-
you were
in
going,
in a very sarcastic way, you know.
and you were going to tell about that voting machine. What was your question?
Yeah. Do you think EVM can be hacked?
Yes, it can be hacked because the whole EVM is in the hand of BJP, and any kind of, all that don't have too much of knowledge about EVM, but if it is in the hand of a particular party, then definitely scams can take place.
But the Election Commission of India told the other parties that if you can hack the EVM, then prove it. So no party came forward to prove anything.
No, but it might be the case that it will be possible for BJP. It can be any condition.
So you are saying that BJP can hack, but other
Nah,
parties
I'm
cannot.
not saying that BJP can't hack, because as I am saying on the basis of that video that he showed. Okay, suppose if you leave this and bought about the like corruption case which are being finished if you join BJP party.
Yeah. That's what I said to you, that the opposition parties say in a very sarcastic way that BJP party is a washing machine.
Yes.
When any leader goes to in BJP party, all the allegations were finished on him or her.
Yes.
Okay. So currently IPL is going on. Do you watch IPL?
No.
Why? Do you don't you interested in cricket?
No.
Okay.
I'm not
Why?
that much of interested in
Okay.
cricket.
Okay.
I don't like. It is my personal opinion.
Okay, yeah, it can be okay, and there is no problem. So, do you admire any sport? Do you play any sport, or do you admire any sport?
Yes, there are so many sports. I play Ludo, Carom, chess, as I told you.
Any outdoor?
Any
sport?
outdoor, we
game.
can play badminton.
Okay, you play badminton sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay. So, are you non-veg or vegetarian? Sorry.
Sometimes I eat non-veg, and most of the times I consume veg.
Okay. So, do you think non-veg is a harmful to the atmosphere or environment, because
Which kind of harm?
the carbon emission increases by the consumption of non-veg things? There is a study I studied.
Okay, so I don't know about that.
Okay. In a study, I studied that the non-veg things increases the climate change. It increases the temperature because.
But nowadays it is happening even
Yeah,
without
yeah,
non-veg.
Yeah, I know.
Which kind of role? Even non-veg is not playing a big role in it.
I just asked the question. There is
Yes,
no.
but according to me, eating non-veg is not a sin.
Yeah. So, can you ask? You can ask me any. You can ask me.
Okay, so as you
If
were
you
talking,
don't-
about politics.
Yeah.
So what are your views on the voting system of the judicial system of India? According to you, should it be changed or not? Judicial system of India.
Not complete change. There should be some reforms on in our judicial system of our country. If you talk the list of pending cases are a lot in our country. In every court, if you talk about district court, high court, or supreme court, there are many pending cases.
Okay,
So
so-
we should take some policies, or we should implement some ideas to solve the cases.
Okay, so do you read newspaper?
Sometimes, because of
Okay,
my
so-
college is going on, so I
Okay, so
can.
did you read that news in which Mr. Rahul Gandhi said that if he will come in regiment, then he will triple reservation?
Triple reservation? Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, so according to you, can reservation be triple? Like, can Mr. Rahul Gandhi triple reservation or not? Is it possible? Can it be or not?
I'm not unable to understand triple reservation. Can
Means he
you
will
define?
increase
Can you tell me?
reservation.
Increase.
Yes.
Okay.
मतलब 3 गुना से बढ़ा दे.
Okay.
I'm not
But
pretty
in
sure, but I heard
constitution,
that.
okay, there is limit of reservation in constitution. There is certain limit that if I may wrong, 27% reservation of OBC and stuff like that. So there is a limit. You cannot exceed the limits.
Okay, yeah, according to you, it's just the agenda.
Yeah.
Okay, so according to you, if you get a chance to rebuild constitution, then what are the things that you will rebuild in constitution?
I don't have any advocacy background, or
Okay, so firstly,
I don't know much about
okay, so firstly, do
constitution.
you know anything about constitution?
Some basics, that there are 7 fundamental rights and
Okay,
stuff like
that's
that.
it.
Yeah, that's the basics. So I don't know much about, to
Okay,
be
so
honest.
what are your views on reservation?
There should be reservation for the people of the background section or backward section of the society.
Why?
Why? Because they deserve a fair chance to upliftment of their life and the quality of their life.
No, so
Because they suffered many problems in their past.
No, so in the past, there other generations faced that problem.
Mhm.
Now, what the need to give them reservation? If here anyone belongs from lower caste, okay.
Mhm.
Suppose you belong from lower
Yeah.
caste. It is just an example, okay.
Not example. I really belong to.
Okay, so don't take it personal. But
Yeah.
suppose, okay, so if you really belong from lower caste, okay, then it means
I
you will-
belong to general caste.
Okay, so if you belong from lower caste, okay, then it means you will get reservation. So how can you say that the person who belongs to lower caste he needs upliftment?
Because see, take example. Let me talk about that. If you faced any insult or that kind of activity in your past, so I cannot compromise your that feeling, or by the giving you money, or if I slap you now, let example, I'm not going
I know.
if we slap you, then I'll give you 100 rupees. So do you agree with that?
No.
We cannot compromise, no. Because they faced many problems in their past, so you cannot make them satisfied by the giving some money, or so their reservation should be.
Okay, suppose you are my great grandfather, okay, and somebody trashed you, okay, then
Sorry.
means एकदम बहुत बुरी तरह मारना, okay, and
Somebody
thrashed,
thrashed you.
okay, and you faced too much of humiliation in your past, okay, so you have to face too much of humiliation in your past, okay, then now what the need to give me money? Because the people who belongs to lower
That-
listen to me,
Okay,
the
sorry.
people who belongs to lower caste, they face discrimination, humiliation, okay. The people who belongs from who belongs to upper caste, they try to abandon them, okay, but what the need to give them reservation now?
Quality.
Now what the need to give them reservation?
To stop the repetition of that humiliation and that insult.
But don't you think that nowadays it is abating,
No.
and even
In-
nowadays
in-
it is
in-
not too much?
Because because you live in Mathura, there is it is a urban area, or because you have education, so you are very sensitive. I suppose, I hope it.
Okay, so
you are very listen to me. You are very sensitive. I hope it. In rural areas, the education rate, because they are not very educated in the people of rural areas are not very educated. They are little sensitive. I am not saying they are non-sensitive, or they have no sense of
Okay.
humanity, or all stuff like
Anything.
that, but they are less sensitive.
Okay.
So they cannot understand that
Properly.
that we should not humiliate someone, or so. And to stop the humiliation or insult in rural areas, there should be a reservation in our country.
Okay, so I have a question. to
I
you.
think there should be some reforms should be there, must be there.
Okay, so I have a question to you.
Okay.
If reservation will take place,
Hmm.
then will the discrimination be finished? Suppose you are a person and you became IS because of reservation, okay, with the help of reservation. So will other people not discriminate you? If even you are getting reservation, if lower caste people are getting reservation, then even how can you say that the discrimination will be finished?
Not
According to
will-
me, it will not even abate little bit, because a person who has to discriminate, who has to humiliate other people, so according to me reservation can't make any kind of sense here.
Now, what I can say?
No, if you agree, then you can say yes, and if you have any contradiction, then you can ask. I will be very interested in talking.
We cannot finish anything completely. The any party come in power and say we will finish corruption and stuff. Mr. Modi came in power and he promised the public that we will finish the corruption. Corruption.
You can say agenda, manifesto.
Manifesto. But there is no guarantee that we can finish humiliation or insult by giving. But we can improve their life. We can give them a fair chance.
Okay, so in future, according to you, can reservation be
Yeah, there should be some reforms.
finished?
Not completely finished.
Okay.
We have to wait some years to finish completely.
Okay.
There should be some reforms. I agree.
Okay, so what are your views on FDI? Do you know FDI, foreign direct investment?
No, I don't.
So can I tell you?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay, so FDI.
I'm a life learner. Yeah, you
Okay,
can
yeah.
tell me.
So FDI means, as you know about the foreign companies.
Hmm.
Okay, so those foreign companies come in India, then they invest their product in India, and
Yeah.
because for investing their product, they pay high tax to government.
Hmm.
So it is the basic meaning of FDI, foreign direct investment.
Okay.
You must take example of Toyota is there,
Yeah,
Apple is there. These
we-
kind
we
of
can-
companies are there.
You can say it globalization. You can say.
Yes. So
Yeah.
they are coming and investing their
Hmm.
product, and they are paying tax.
Mhm.
So
what? Yeah, it should be.
no, but don't you think that? Okay, let me tell you the advantages and disadvantages.
What's your question?
What are your views on FDI? Okay, so if I share my personal opinion, then according to me, there are so many advantages. It is very good for the social welfare. It is very good for the benefit for the development of country itself. So it is very beneficial even. But at the other end, if you will think that, then there are so many things that will there are so many demerits that will disappoint you. That the foreign companies are taking Indian resources in too much amount.
Yeah,
Tobacco
yeah.
companies are there.
They
They are
are-
cutting the trees in too much of amount. Even suppose, God forbid, you are poor. Okay, God forbid you are poor, and even suppose I am poor. We both are poor.
Yeah,
we,
there is no problem.
Yeah, we both are doing any
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
business.
yeah.
Okay. Of shop, okay, but nowadays Amazon is there, so a person prefers that I should not go to shop, it will waste my time, I should just order this thing online. Then it is very detrimental for our business. So even the disadvantage can be that foreign companies are killing Indian businesses even. So according to me,
Yeah,
now
killing
what are
or-
your views?
And you can say they are misusing the natural resources of our country.
But our advantage, I recall in my mind, even sometimes they are giving employment even.
Yeah, because see, there are both sides of, because everything has its pros and cons.
We can't be one-sided.
Yeah.
So overall, if you have to tell, then how will you conclude? You will conclude it in a good manner or bad? Means you will conclude it
Okay.
as a good thing or bad thing?
We should take forward some policies to stop the misusing of our natural resources.
Okay.
We should apply some restrictions on them, on these companies.
Okay, so what are your views on dowry system?
Yeah, there should not be a dowry system. In my opinion, I completely disagree with that.
Okay, so
dowry
according
system.
to you, do you know the reason why do people give dowry?
Because it is it started in many years ago. It
The
has,
time of kings.
Yeah, it has become now you can a cult, or you can a trend, you can say
Tradition.
or
You can say people are the followers of
followers. Yeah, followers of followers, and they feel proud in giving dowry in many areas, or so-called rural areas and stuff.
Okay, so according to you, as you were claiming that the people of rural are little bit clumsy, okay, they are not that much literate, they are
Sensitive,
little
yeah, and
illiterate,
literate,
okay.
yeah.
So if you had been PM, okay, then what would you have done for the advantages, for the welfare of those people?
First of all, I will bring many reforms in education system, especially if we talk about the primary education, or primary section of the villages. I will improve the quality of teachers. I'll appoint some good teachers, because when a child learns in his childhood or her childhood, it forms a building of a nation. The children are you can say base of any country.
Okay, so
If the children of any country are sensitive, literate, or you can say they are rationalist, so the country can develop.
okay, so according to you, is child labor good or bad? What are your views on child labor?
Completely bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
Why?
Yes, in some extent, the if they have they have not enough food or enough shelter, so they have to do child labor. But government is responsible for them.
Okay.
Government should take some actions for the welfare of them.
But there are so many child, their parents are no more and they are having to do this kind of work. So don't you think that it is not like that much of easy? You are saying that government should do any work for their welfare. Which kind of work?
Why if government can what if we say government can desection the loan of businessmen any.
Okay.
So why cannot government do some actions for the welfare of these children?
Okay, so I have a question to you. It is related to culture, Indian culture and for Western culture. Okay, so I will ask some point, then you can contribute.
Yeah.
Okay, then so as you know that in Western culture nudity is there, Nagmata,
yeah.
wearing shorts, wearing short
Yeah,
clothes.
yeah.
But at the other hand, in Indian culture, it is not there. So according to you, is it good or bad?
Not we cannot compare two cultures. They have their own
Okay, so-
individuality.
oh.
Let me finish. There are some good points in Indian culture. And there are some drawbacks of our culture. Also with the foreign culture, they have many good things in their culture, but also there are many drawbacks of their culture.
Okay, so leaf culture, generally should a girl wear short clothes or not?
So what's the problem on wearing a?
No, I am asking-
if a girl wear a short, what's the
Wears.
problem? Wears.
Don't you think that it can attract rapists? Because if a girl is there and the body of
There-
that
there
girl
is-
is like clearly shown, the girl is exposing her body, then it can attract
There is
rapists
fault in their mentality. There is no fault
in the mentality of girl.
of the boys.
Okay.
If a girl wears a shorts, so you are saying that the boy has a right to rape with girl.
How can a boy have right to rape any girl?
You are saying no, okay, they attract rapist or stuff like that. They have their rights to we cannot question on the dresses, or you can say what anyone eats or what anyone wears.
No, I'm not saying that.
Everyone has a right to do whatever he wants to do or eats.
No, firstly, how can a man have right to rape any girl? I am just saying that if a girl wears shorts, then it can attract rapists, because a rapist is a lusty person, and a lusty person is there, and a girl is coming in front of
See,
the person, okay? And listen to me, and the
Okay.
girl is exposing her body, then definitely the rapist will be attracted. Suppose in front of you, so many rabbits are there, okay? Of white color, okay? And suddenly a black and white a
There
rabbit
is
is there.
difference in rabbits
I'm not just giving an example,
Okay.
because that girl like looks a unique thing, and when a rapist will see a girl who is looking unique, the body is looking okay, then the rapist will definitely be attracted.
Then he should be ashamed of him.
No,
There is default in their mentality.
rapist is
See,
never
see.
ashamed.
See.
Girl is
Listen to me. If there is a mentality of raping or rapist kind of thing in anyone, so he can rape the lady who is wearing sari. So there is so we cannot say that the girls are responsible for. So that's all today.
okay.